All right, should be coming up. Moderators, do your thing. Should be coming up. 292%, 94,
Well,
95,
Coach, if someone in their
96.
paper trading account wanted to get in on this now, what would they wait for?
They wouldn't wait for anything. You'd already been in it now. 300%. You wait. You could be waiting until it's 800%, right? You just want to go in small position size at this point, right? Think about this. If you're in 100 shares and it pulls back 50 cents, are you going to be concerned about it? Nope. The answer is nope, right? But if you go in with
You do
100
love Coach.
shares, thank you, but if you go in with 100 shares and it goes up $3 more, won't you be excited?
Yep.
Yep. See the difference? It's about position size, gang, right? Isn't that how we mitigate damage risk management?
That's how it
Correct.
works.
Yep.
Coach, are you trying to share your screen?
Nope.
Okay. Sorry.
Just trying to make sure everything's coming up. Thank you.
What was that movie with Yup and Nope?
I don't know, but I can tell you one of the worst movies I've ever seen
Recording in progress.
was called Nope.
Oh yeah, you said that.
My
Wasn't it on
son's
Netflix?
Yeah, my son's like, "Oh, you got to see it." It was like an award-winning movie or something. I saw it. I'm like, now the joke around the house is, "What's the worst movie you've ever seen?" Nope. What movie would you never want to see again? Nope. We always pick on my son till we see him. Like, dude, you can't ever say if a movie is good or not because you said that was good. So it is, you forever ruined your reviews from us. Terrible.
TikTok and YouTube are up.
Thank you. Good morning, everybody. Party people.
Worst movie I ever saw was
Nope.
Siddhartha.
Oh, it was Nope. Don't see Nope, by the way. I'm not endorsing that. I got to put some darker sunglasses on. The sun is not hitting these yet, so it's not making them dark. Give me a moment. I just don't want to be over here squinty McSquinterson. I've got these crazy light colored eyes, so I can't see anything that's like I'm blind in the sunlight, by the way. All right. Okay, that's a little better. It's a little dark, but here we go. Good morning. If you guys are first time or new here, my name is Chad, aka the Coach. I've been trading in the stock market for a very long time. This is American Dream Trading that you've happened to stumble upon. We are the largest and fastest stock market education company in the country, or one of them, I should say, because who knows, there could be somebody larger, but you know what I'm saying. I appreciate everybody being here. It is July 24th, this beautiful Thursday. We've got a bunch of stuff coming out. Of course, you guys are going to be paying attention at 9:30 as always. That is the most volatile time of the entire day is at 9:30 when the market opens. Then again, we have a PMI coming out at 9:45, so you guys will pay attention to that. I also believe, and I want to say it's 10:30, could be wrong. We can double check, but I think they're going to be talking about, I want to say it was European interest rates if they're going up or down. That could also affect this market. Long story short, I want you to pay attention obviously to 9:30, 9:45, and 10 o'clock today. All right. So before you're like, yay, this is running one way or the other, every 15 minutes, I want you to be careful today. We all on the same page with that? Okay, great. So
100%.
thank you. So glad to hear that. That's nice.
Heard.
Thank you. LiDAR, by the way, had a nice, beautiful pullback to the nine. Support showing now at $4. 407-ish. Charting it. 407-ish. I'm sure it'll probably show up nicely on the L2s. Today I am out at a lake house, a little Airbnb lake house action. So this is not obviously my normal setup. There should be zero issues with internet though. Luckily out here we have fiber. So there should be no weird ups and downs and all around. So appreciate it. If you guys are watching on TikTok, you don't stop, do me a favor. Click that subscribe button. You'll see it somewhere around here. It's got the star with the circle around it. We have 17 subscribers. We are trying to get to that 100 subscriber goal. Otherwise, click that follow button. Helps the algorithm. Thank you for the gifts already from SRQ.
Plus or minus, but follow the rules.
Thank you to Ray Ray and SRQ for the gifts. I appreciate you. You guys are awesome.
I have a
Speaking
quick
of,
question.
yeah, go ahead.
How many gummies did you have?
Oh yeah, no gummies. Yeah, I know. I can tell I'm a little
Dude, you are
not.
mellow.
Yeah,
He needed this. This is actually great.
I
I'm
love
watching.
it.
I
It
got
is like a big
eagles.
sack.
Literally, there's eagles soaring over my head right now. This is crazy out here. Let's see. Bruno, I'm seeing you posted something to me. What's this? Public offering. Okay, I see it. Oh, is that the company I said yesterday?
Yeah, that's what Mark sent me. That's what he wanted me to send it to you. I think he sent it to you as well.
Oh, did he? Okay, thank you. Oh, yep, he did. Yep. Okay. Do you guys remember yesterday ABVX? Do you guys remember me talking about ABVX yesterday? Remember that was the massive runner?
Yes, sir.
Do you guys remember me
Yeah.
saying what is going to happen after this big news like that? What did I say is going to happen?
Public
Public
offering.
offering.
What did they do?
Public offering.
There you go. You heard it here first, right?
Yeah, I love that you put us on to that could possibly happen when you see that drive up like that.
Yep, absolutely. Right here it says announces pricing a 650 million public offering. Do you guys remember? It's funny because I said, watch it. And remember, I said if they 10x, they did. How many shares? I said it'd be about 550 million. Do you remember me saying the exact number too?
I didn't hear it, but I believe it. I've heard you
Yep.
do it with other
Yeah,
stuff.
because I did the math. I calculated it out. I said if they did X amount of shares, it would be about 550 million. Everybody, you remember me saying that?
Absolutely.
Yep, and it was 650 million. I was off by 100 million. The old man sucks. Shut it down. Don't subscribe to anything. He knows nothing, right? Walk away. There's nothing to see here. This guy's dog shit. Okay? That'd be great. Thank you for that, Mark. That's pretty awesome. I like that. You never know. Sometimes the old man's right.
Kind of like your LIDR bounced on the 407. Who said that?
Yep, nice job. Is it still hopefully going up from the 407 support level? Is that where did it come back down to it again? Very nice. Real quick,
Looking at it, it is weakening.
real quick, I want to thank all my moderators. By the way, Ange, thank you for stepping up because Richard shot his eye out with a BB gun. So thank you, Ange, for taking over the mentorship class yesterday. I know everybody appreciates it. And I love having different people in there. I know some people are like, yay or nay about me moving. I like the different perspectives, right? We're always trying new things. It's cool to hear from different people. Yes, I'll be back in there doing the mentorship, so don't freak out. It's cool having different people in and out. So thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric Moto, Jeffrey, Don, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily a Housewife, Gilly, Mountain Man, and Diesel Dan. Thank you, of course, to all of our military family. Anybody that's serving or that has served, thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here at American Dream Trading. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and all my truck drivers around the world.
Beep, 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 beep.
Thank you. Good enough. I'll take it. Close enough for government work. Appreciate you. All right, let's see what we got here. Yep, LiDAR pulled back big time. You've got your 21 there for support. Nobody being that below the 21. Okay, next level of support that I can see, at least off the chart, is around 360. So if you're looking to scoop it up, small entry position would be now off the 21. Otherwise, you could wait in the weeds for around 360. Remember what I said, make sure you guys are always going in with small position sizes. That way, if anything does have a pullback, you're okay. Don't be greedy, right? I'm going to do 1,000,000 shares. Stop. Settle down, Francis. Okay? You'll be all right. Take it easy. Take it easy there, little fella. Little Benny Hill action on the bald head. You know what I'm talking about, you old people in the room like me. For you kids that are young, you have no idea what I'm talking about, and that's okay. It's all right. Oh, what do we got here? Let me play one of my videos. Hold on 1 second. I'm just going to play this quick 4-minute video. I'm going to play it for you right now. Everybody, mic's off. Give me just 1 moment. Thank you. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up at least for the free Discord. Make sure within the first 24 hours you verify your account. You will get an email from us to make sure you verify your account, or the system will kick you off thinking you are spam. You guys can get into our premium membership at $125 a month. With that, you'll get access to the membership lounge, which we have an open microphone where you can ask any questions all day from 8:45 until 4 o'clock. You guys will get all the hot stock picks, which we've already posted and have already been making money on this morning. You'll get the pre-market setup, which will give you key critical areas at the opening bell and throughout the day. The IPO Center, so any new and exciting IPOs that come out, you will have access to those. Any earnings that are coming out, and of course, our videos on demand. We have 11 full training videos to get you started. Things like the 2-minute EWO, day trading, swing trading, covered calls, cash secured puts, etc. All inside of our premium membership for $125 a month. When you guys are ready to upgrade, I highly recommend, regardless of how much experience you have, signing up for the VIP membership starting at $500 a month. With that, you'll get the pre-market access starting at 4 a.m. to 4 p.m. every day. You guys will get access to the VIP lounge, all the workshop classes. We put one of those on every month, and the previous recorded sessions. You guys will get the VIP training videos. We have over 50 advanced training videos for you, and the Trading View indicators. If you have a VIP, you can upgrade to the Gold add-on, which is an additional $250 a month. You can get the mastermind classes, 1 hour of tech support. If you need us to remote in and help you get your charts, etc. set up, we can do that for you. You'll get weekend training every Saturday at 11 o'clock. You'll get the VIP Gold Lounge access, priority help desk support, our news service, which is worth its weight in gold just for that. You'll get all the breakout rooms every Monday, Wednesday, Friday at noon. Everything, of course, for you as a gold member will be recorded. So if you are gold for crypto, futures, or stocks and options, all the sessions will be recorded for you. And of course, you'll get our exciting live Apple chat. We've got David over there in the mornings showing you exactly what he's doing with the 2-minute EWO and just the Apple, which is one of our amazing strategies that you guys will learn here. So we have our futures membership, our regular futures membership starting at $250 a month, which the futures is going on right now. They are, again, just like us, every day with a live open microphone from 8:45 to 4 o'clock every single day. You'll get all the futures education, all of the training videos, the futures lounge. The Trading View indicators are actually included with the futures memberships that start at $250, and of course all of the extra Zoom classes when they have them. Crypto is the same thing. If you guys want to jump into the crypto, that one now is also $250 a month and includes the Trading View indicators. Same thing, all the training videos anytime that the Zoom sessions are available. Now the Zoom sessions for crypto is a little different just because it's a 24-hour, so we try to bounce that one around so you get different time and different events. We are always posting those, so you guys make sure you take advantage. And of course, a Diamond Lifetime membership. With that, you get everything. Unlimited, lifetime access, all of our membership services, meaning anything that I create. Platinum's coming up, you'll have access to it. And I believe that's going to be $1,000 a month. Diamond, you'll get access to that. It'll just be $20,000. You guys want to head over to AmericanDreamTrading.com and get signed up. All right, awesome. Thank you, promo coach. We appreciate it. Okay. Anybody scoop up LiDAR on the 21 bounce? I said if you're going to get it, now would be the time off the 21. Otherwise, wait till the weeds at 360. Who got it right there on the bounce? On the
I did,
21.
Coach.
Thank you.
I did, Coach.
Thank you.
I'm still in it from 303, boss.
Oh, nice job. Still up over $1.
I scooped up more.
Good job. Good job. Listen to the sound of my voice. You never know. Maybe you'll learn
Yeah.
something. That's a beautiful butterfly. I got butterflies flying around me. That's so nice. It's so serene out here at the lake. It's funny. I don't know. It's just different. You know, my house is in it's a beautiful neighborhood. It's more than I could ever ask for. I'm so appreciative of it. It's quiet. There's no neighbors are not on top of each other, but just being somewhere different, right, is such a big deal. Sometimes you need that to reset your mind. This is so freaking nice out here. Love it. Absolutely love it. Those of you that are watching on TikTok and all that stuff, let me show you where I'm at today. If you guys are on Zoom, go over to YouTube or TikTok. I'm going to show you what I can see right now. Hold on, let me unplug these just so you guys can get a feel of the serenity, right? This is where I'm trading today. You guys can see, right? Look at that out there. Can you guys see it?
Oh, I can see it.
You can only see it on TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Twitter, MySpace, Rumble, Kick, or Instagram.
Oh, well, it's on the Zoom.
It's not on Zoom. Does everybody see it? It's just beautiful out here. It's just glorious. It's glorious.
Thank
So
you,
nice.
Coach. Good morning.
Good morning. So anyways, this is where I'm at today. Remember, like I said, the beautiful part of what we do here at American Dream Trading is as long as you have internet access and the ability to access your brokerage account, and of course, you know what you are doing, you can make money from anywhere in the world. Obviously, different regions, things. Make sure you check your local areas.
I didn't
Legal.
realize how much lag was on YouTube versus Zoom. Like it's a few seconds.
Yeah, oh yeah, yeah. Everywhere else is a huge lag. Yeah, if people are watching for free and I'm doing like a call out, they're gonna miss millions of dollars, right? Because the lag
Yeah,
time. Yeah, the lag
I
time is
didn't
too much.
realize that.
Yep. Yeah, Zoom, you guys are instant. When I call something, it's immediate. If they're watching for free, there's a huge delay. Yeah, they'll miss everything on free, but they at least get a sample of what we're doing and they can see stuff, right?
Go get a membership.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, they don't get to see me when I'm drawing on the charts and stuff. They don't get to see any of that. Yeah, they get none of that. Yep, it's just a sample. It's a sampler. All right, I'm fighting between these glasses. So if you guys see me bouncing through them, you'll know why. One's too dark and the other transition hasn't transitioned yet because the sun's not beating on them to change the colors. So I either have to squint, have too dark, or not dark enough. So bear with me today as I'm moving through these. Let me see. Yeah, that's almost like a yellowish tint. Okay. All right. It's 9:22. LiDAR I see shot all the way back up again, this time to 425. If you look at 425, you guys can see that was resistance, right? See that little micro double top right there? You guys are back now on the 21 again. You know the rules, especially in pre-market, to collect, meaning take your money as it goes up. Yes?
Yes, Coach.
Thank you. Is this thing
Appreciate
on?
it.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Always take your money on the way up, especially in the pre-market, because you never know it's going to knife drop or do anything weird. We can see that that respected the 21 again. You guys see how it respected the 21 on the 1 minute?
Yes.
You see why we use the 21 for scalping, and that's my backbone. And I told you don't be in it. If it breaks and holds below the 21, you don't want to be in it. As long as it respects the 21, you're all right. Make sure you guys are collecting. as it goes up. Don't let greed or fear control your trades.
Hey,
All
Coach,
right.
what do you think of the Tesla earnings?
I think it was fantastic, exactly what I anticipated.
You don't think it's going to hurt them?
Nope, not at all. Nope, not at all. I don't give it two shits about auto sales. That's Tesla's not an auto company. I don't even care about it. Hey, I don't give two shits about that at all. And everybody, as you know, not being political, you already knew what was going to happen to sales, right? Right? You can't bash Tesla for 6 months straight with negative news and not anticipate a pullback on sales. Am I right?
100% coach.
Yep. Didn't it do exactly what they wanted? Try to hurt the business. So there you go.
Yes, sir.
So as long as look at that pullback below the 21, and now you know you shouldn't be in it. But these are the things that we anticipate, right? You should know that. Of course, them
Maybe they cheaper
bashing
now.
them. Yeah, exactly. Of course, them bashing them every single day for 6 months straight is going to cause a decrease in sales. We know that. So we take
I
advantage of
tuned
it.
into the guidance coach,
Yeah.
and
Oh,
when
yeah.
he came on, he was talking about the advancements they're making in the batteries,
Yeah, I
and
saw
it's
that.
like that alone should have made this thing. It stayed flat while he was talking about
Oh,
that.
yeah.
It was amazing the technology he's bringing to batteries.
Yeah. And I've told you guys batteries is going to be where it's at. Think about it. When we get all these robots, eventually there's obviously going to be battery powered jets, planes, boats. Everything's going to be battery powered. I've already told you that. If you haven't been a part of American Dream Trading, I already told you where we're going. That's it. That's all. Right? So there's going to be a limited amount. So we have to get better at battery technology, mining, how we build them, what we do. And guess what? They're on the forefront of all of it again. So if you guys are like, but auto sales are down, I don't give a shit. It means nothing to me. As soon as the robots come out, we're all going to laugh at the automotive side. That's it. That's all. You heard it here first, by the way. I've been saying it for years. You heard it here first. That's it. I don't care. You already know what's going on. Okay, great. Have I been wrong yet? Anybody? Bueller? Bueller? On
None in
anything?
3 years I know of, Coach.
Thank you. I said tariffs would be great. They are great. I told you every stock that would be booming. Every stock is booming. I told you not to panic on the little small pullback. It did nothing. Now we're all-time highs, the highest the market's ever been in history, while people were screaming, bringing out their dead, right? Selling everything, decreasing their 401ks. I was the only one in the middle of the storm saying, buy more, buy more. You guys remember me? Max out your 401ks. It is the absolute greatest time in history. Do it now, everybody. Go, go, go. Not financial tax or investment advice, just different strategies that I've been telling you guys every single day for 3 years straight, answering hundreds of thousands of questions. Okay,
You were ahead of Bloomberg by 3 to 5 days on some of that.
absolutely. Thank you so much. It's 9:28. We got about 2 minutes left before the bell on this beautiful July 24th. Everybody be cool. Real quick, legal American Dream Trading, myself, Chad Christian, and anybody else associated with us. None of us are financial tax or investment advisors. Everything we discuss is for training and education purposes only. Again, if this is your first time being here, make sure you go to americandreamtrading.com. You guys can sign up for the free Discord or one of our memberships. We've got some crazy membership deals going on right now. I believe it's buy 12 months of VIP, get 6 months of VIP gold for free. Buy 6 months of VIP, get 3 months of VIP gold for free right now. AmericanDreamTrading.com. Remember, we will never reach out to you, friend request, direct message. We don't have a WhatsApp. We don't have Telegram. We don't do any of that cheesy goofball stuff. Not us ever. We don't even direct message each other on our own server over here on Discord. We don't do that. We have a help desk. If you need help, click on the help desk and we can help you out. Otherwise, nobody get flammed. No, we're not trying to sell you $1 million property, right? So all you got to do is give us $15,000 worth of Bitcoin. None of that exists. Stop. Stop, stop. None of you says up, down, or sideways. ADT makes money. Thank you. Results not guaranteed, obviously. But once you get this, right, this could change your life. Now, remember, stock market trading is extremely difficult. Nobody said this is easy at all. I might make it look easy while I'm doing this, but it is not easy. This will be one of the hardest things you've ever done in your life. 15 seconds to the bell. So everybody, please follow all of my rules. Thank you. Appreciate you. Today, I will be trading live in front of your face. As always, a live cash account. Always have, always will. It's now 9:30. We are a go. Everybody be cool. Remember 9:30, 9:45, and 10 o'clock today. Be watching those key areas. All right, watching right here. See if we're going to get a, I'm looking for a pop here on SPY. There it goes. Nice. Hopefully I don't miss that whole run. There it goes. Nice. So we got more. Nice. Take it. There's $180. That's nice. Looking for a move up to 635. 635 right there, marking it. Pre-market high. Remember, as we're trading, if you want, say, Coach, we're at pre-market high. Coach, we're at previous day high. Coach, we're at pre-market low. Coach, so just spit it out of your mouth. That'd be great. Helps the whole crew. You can see we just double topped on SPY. Everybody be cool. There's your double top pullback.
IDR.
Thank
Hold
you.
it to the upside.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Yep.
Oh
It's
my,
at 474.
oh my gosh.
Halted.
I'm out of here. You guys are rich. I've done my job. There's your double top pullback off the pre-market high. What's my favorite trade in the business that it just textbook did? Anybody?
Double top.
Thank you.
Top pullback.
Thank you.
Double
Wasn't
top.
that a perfect double top right there, pullback?
Apple to the upside.
Thank you. Looking to see if we get a bounce right here. It's a bounce that is a 639. Watching this level, marking it now. Still got a ways to go to it. Watching this key critical area right here.
Apple really strong to the upside.
Thank you. Apple is to the upside. Probably already broke your pre-market setup to the upside, I would assume.
Long time ago.
Thank you. Is that a 6-star 2-minute EWO trade, Nana?
For me, it's a 10-star.
That would be a 6-star only. Everybody not to be confused with Nana's language. That is a 6-star trade, 2-minute
But it
EWO
is.
to
It
the
is a
upside.
6-star
Thank you very
trade.
much. Let's take a peek. It is as long as Apple stays above the pre-market high, you are in a 6-star trade, only if it stays up there. SPY still bouncing around VWAP. Does have a gap to fill if it's going to pull back. It's going to be around that 634. Keeping an eye on that.
So, Coach, with Apple, should we be careful since the indicators are under the VWAP?
Is it on?
Were you talking about that?
No, no, no.
Okay.
No.
As
Not
Yeah,
on
the
the
long,
2
nine's under
minute.
VWAP.
yeah. Listen, as long as you're above VWAP and it holds, right?
Gotcha.
Oh, yeah. Don't worry about those indicators anymore. Those are gone now.
Okay.
Yeah, it means nothing to you. 2-minute EWO, right? Just watch VWAP as long as you stay and it breaks, right? It doesn't break and hold below it. Just watch the overall market though. So Apple's been doing that a lot. It pops right at the open and then it tanks. So
Mm-hmm.
it's done that every day for like the last 2 weeks.
Well, 15% total count in what? A minute?
There you go. Good job. All right, we still got some room over here. I'm
Thank you,
being
David.
good job. Here we go. There's that bounce off of VWAP. Still waiting. I don't see a good trade coming out yet for myself. I'm already up $134, it looks like, but just waiting for a good setup. Apple, you guys are still clear on the 2-minute EWO to the upside. Nice job. No panic. Control your emotions. Don't be a bunch of little babies.
You said our first time to watch is 9:45, right?
Yeah, 9:30. Of course, I'll open 9:45, and then again at 10 today. See that, Don? There's your 2-minute EWO upside still. See it? Good
I
job.
do.
Nice and easy. Nobody's freaking out. Get your emotions under control, gang. You'll be all right.
LIDR halted up at the opening. It's going to resume in about 45 seconds.
Yep, we called it out. As soon as that happened, we are looking for it to unleash the beast. I'm going to put that on my screen. You guys are in control of Apple. I can no longer see it. You let me know. LiDAR should come loose any second. Congratulations on that, by the way. You can see it pulled back to the 21 and bounced again. Who's still in it or who took advantage of the 21?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I took advantage of the 21.
Thank
Me,
you.
me.
Coach.
Good job. Should be unhalting any second.
10 seconds.
10 seconds. LIDR. Make sure you have your stops in place. Collect as it goes all the time. Don't be greedy. LIDR should be unhalting right now. There it goes. LIDR is live at 300%.
And we didn't
450.
buy.
It pulled back. LIDR pulled back. 274%. LIDR huge pullback. Don't panic. Half candle rule right there. Boom. It just hit half candle. Woo. Did you guys see that? That's nice.
Yeah, that was crazy.
Yep. LIDR. This is why I tell you to collect as it goes, right? Nobody gets greedy, right?
Lock it in.
Yup. I'm looking to see if SPY dumps right here. I want to pull the trigger on these puts, but it's not showing, shorts, I should say, but it's not showing me yet. It's too dangerous of an area. I want to short this just because it's showing weakness, but it's not the trade. It's not it. Need to be smart about it. Got to wait for it to show me the actual trade, right? Not what I think. You take that thinking bullshit and you flush that right down the toilet. Trade what the chart gives you. Still waiting. Again, I'm waiting to see if SPY's going to flush right here. It's set up to the downside. Oh, got to be patient.
Feels like everybody's holding their money to see what happens.
I agree. And we are at close of day yesterday on SPY. Isn't that the largest level of support? Everybody in the room, yes? Oh,
Yes, yes.
okay, good. Thank you.
Sure is.
Thank you. Should you be shorting support?
Nope.
No.
Nope,
Oh,
not
good
till it
idea.
Hello
not
there.
not till it
Oh,
shows us,
boy.
right? Not till it shows us. That's when you get your face ripped off. Here we go. Here we go. Let's see if it stays. I'm in. In it, in it, in it. We are below the area. Let's see if it holds. Had a nice bleeder candle. See if that's going to stay down there. It's 9:38. Don't forget 9:45. We've got news, right?
EMI.
Yep. And then, of course, a regular 10 o'clock, so be cool with that. All right, SPY is set up to the downside, but it is teetering right here at this level, so please be careful. Yeah, so starting to get a pop at support. Did not bleed and hold. Using my 9 now as my last stop for me. As long as it stays down here, I'm okay. This is where your brain will freak you out, right? So what I'll do is I'm going to set a hard mechanical stop just to cover myself in the event of a massive pop. Taking it out of my hands, right? I'm going to let it work. It's still set up to the downside over here on SPY, but we'll see. Still dancing around here. Dancing with the devil in the pale moonlight. And moonlight, am I right? Look at it. Here we go. Come on. Bleed out. Keep coming. Keep it coming. So hard to see over here. Okay, I'm going to be looking for a pull to here. Marking it. There we go. Still to the downside, looking for more. Sitting down here. Come on, a little more. Set up for success down here. Popped on that level. Getting a little greedy. He's looking for more. Don't care.
It's weird because everything is pulling right now. That
I
thing should
know.
go.
Yep, I don't understand it either. Just watching it. Letting it work its magic. I've got my stop in place. Looking for it to pull down closer to that 633.90 area on SPY. If it's going to do that. Again, I've got my stop in place in the event it doesn't work. Let's kill
Apple has
this.
pulled back to the 9 and is below VWAP.
Thank you. That's what I told you to be careful of, right?
Correct.
Yep, it does that. It's been doing that. It does that massive pop, and then it drops and fades like forever. It's crazy. This is why I tell you guys, though, when the market first opened, it's crazy volatile, right? It's where you got to really be careful. Uh, 2.5 minutes to major market news. Everybody hear the sound of my voice? Yes?
Yes.
Okay. It's massive, so be
Yep, we
ready.
hear you.
Yep, massive, be ready. I'm actually going to pull out to a larger time frame because if it super drops, I want more of my chart. And if it pops, I've already got my risk managements in place, right? Hopefully it doesn't spike, right? Kill my stops and then knife drop. Don't ever want to see that. 1.5 minutes. Everybody ready for crazy market reaction? It's going to be massive. Don't you hit my stop before this time. I want to be in this trade before this. You son of a. You son of. Oh, I wanted to be in this trade during this time. I couldn't hold right there.
Put some money in the jar ahead of time.
I will. 1 minute. 1 minute. Get ready. One minute. 30 seconds. Fifteen seconds to crazy market action. Be ready. 5 seconds. 1, 0. Go. Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Wow. Did market data not come out? This is a nothing burger. Like not even volume.
Like there's no news.
Yeah, did news not come out?
It did come out. The global manufacturing PMI came out for July 49.5 versus 52.7 estimate. And the services PMI for July came out at 55.2 versus 53.
So lower on both, is that what I heard?
Higher on the services, lower on the manufacturing.
Got it. Okay, thank you.
I just made 6.73% on my account on that move.
Nice job. Good job. Yeah, getting a nice move here. Beautiful. Coming up to that double top again. Everybody see it?
Yes.
Sitting here flat, trying to see if it's going to stay above VWAP. It's just sitting here. Just sitting here. Trying to decide to take the 1,000 or not. It's got nice momentum. It's bouncing around. No, it's red. It's got volume though. There we go. That's the pop I was looking for. That's better. Double top. Massive volume though. There it goes. That's nice. I'll take it right there. That's a $2,500 trade. I'll take it. We covered half of that loss that I took from the previous stop loss. Happens, right? This is trading, am I right? Some days aren't going to be easy.
LIDR, coach.
Is
It broke that 407.
thank
Went
you.
back up. And
Thank you.
It's
SPY.
it's on a double top almost right now.
Okay, thank you. Who's in that LIDR?
me,
Yeah, that's all over the place over there. I love volatility though. That's where you make a lot of money with that volatility, right?
smaller position, part of the account, not the
That's
whole
right.
thing.
That's right. SPY, does anybody see any critical areas? Tell me. I'm not.
635.40, it's the all-time high and it's right under it.
There you go. We need to know these call outs, gang. Pre-market highs, pre-market lows, previous day high, previous day low, 52-week high. We need it all.
Amazon to the upside, up 2%, new highs.
Thank you.
Fourth
The
green,
gold.
1 minute on LIDR.
Thank you. SPY, we're up here on the ceiling at 635.40, which is a 52-week high, right? All-time high.
Yep, it touched it and pulled back a little
So
bit
that's
right now.
resistance. We'll see if it can blast through it and keep running. I'm also on my ceiling over here on NQ, which is what I'm trading in the futures.
Yeah, on
Literally up on the
NQ, I have
ceiling.
23,411 as a gold 4-hour gold line.
Thank you. And I've got 23,403 right now as this first pop.
$3.80 on LiDAR coming up.
Thank you. So everybody being patient with your trades today. That's nice. Good job.
Yep.
Get in, get
But
through,
I'm
and get
sitting
out.
on the
There
wait.
you go. Good job.
There's a little bit of a market pullback right now.
Yep, yep.
If LIDR makes it back to the 440, that would be 10% from now on a 4 times testing the 440 to the upside.
Thank you. Ah, I missed it. Damn it. Had it at 500, but by the time I clicked it, I missed it. Now this is staying above. Putting in my mechanical stops. Have to use this 9. I've also got, better have a little bit of room. Got VWAP right here to see if we're going to get a bounce or not. See if it'll respect this level and climb back up there for the new highs. LiDAR is just kind of teetering. What's Apple doing?
It's a VWAP.
What about Amazon? Somebody called it earlier.
Oh, it still look beautiful. You have a
Okay,
little bit of a pullback, but it's so high.
thank you. I'm not hearing any call outs, so make sure you guys are staying on point. That one did not go either. That's 2 in a row. And there's the bounce, you sucker. That damn thing hit the 21 off of that one and bounced. Did you guys see that? I was just below down there. Did you guys catch that? You sucker. Ugh. Got to give it a little bit more room, and I'm staying in the trades too long. I will correct that.
GSLL testing above VWAP, it's up 4 to 5%
Thank
off the
you.
bounce.
Nice flush. Now it's got a big gap to fill. Take it. 1500.
Apple and Nvidia pulling.
Yep.
So should help you, coach.
Yep, it did. I made 1500 off it. All right, spies on VWAP watching this area. This is support, so I'm being cautious here. From my NQ, spies on VWAP. Yep, that's support. Already had it charted. You guys see why I took my money there, right? Okay, good. Good job. But you guys also see I filled this whole gap down to this bottom channel, didn't I? Yeah, I did.
And SPY
Yeah.
touch a VWAP too, so.
Yep, I'm on it. I am watching that thing like a hawk. Ooh, there's a bunch of sellers. Okay, that was a stall.
Google yellow.
Thank you. Let's take a look at Amazon since that was running earlier. Yep, Amazon's still to the upside. Q's pulling. Okay. All right, here's the stall. Got the 9 right here. It's as far as I'll let it go. Boy, that did stall for a second. Showing huge sellers came in. Yeah, SPY's pulling. Okay, well, I was right. So SPY's super pulling here. You guys see that? Huge blood candle on SPY. Yes.
Yes.
And Q NASDAQ is not doing the same. It's just kind of flat. Breaks this 9, I'll get out. Stopped out again. Gosh. Up, down today. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down.
First red EW Apple.
Thank you. I make one more bad trade, I am done for the day. There's no sense in giving back a bunch of money. I'll wait for it to be a little less chop, give me a little more direction.
Nvidia just had a green candle out of nowhere. We kind of had impact on SPY.
Thank you. Watching SPY here at 635 was resistance before. Right off the 635.
Second red EW Apple.
Thank you.
Those shift change in less than 2 minutes.
Thank you. Minute and a half. Appreciate that. Good call out.
HCTI hot stock pick up 80%, 86%.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm just holding these trades too long. I mean, I can see I'm making, $300-500, and I'm not taking them because I'm looking for the big moves. I've really got to watch my brain on that today.
Apple is on the double bottom.
Thank you. Because it's so choppy, I need to get in, get green, and get out, right, gang?
Yep, that's the move.
Yep,
Shift
because
change in home sales in
Yeah.
1 minute.
Thank you. 20 seconds.
Home sales, they went down, but I'm only speculating.
I'm set up for that. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. Home sales. Come on, bleed. There you go. More. Flush.
Is there anybody checking into the news?
Home sales,
Come on, I'm giving this room to work. Flush. Don't make me regret
but
holding this. Come on, let's go.
It's not reacting to news today.
Yeah, it's so weird.
Home sales for June lower than expected,
That's what I
620
thought. Thank you.
versus
thank you, Pat.
649,000.
Perfect. That's what I wanted to hear.
Thanks, Mr. Michael.
Yep, that's exactly what I wanted to hear, and here we go. Thank you. Boom, I'll take it. That's 2 grand. That's nice. Did you guys see me work the stop off of that one? Keep it coming. Climb, climb, right? Following it? Yeah, you did.
Yeah, we saw it.
Thank you. 10:01. Thank you everybody for being here, by the way. Appreciate you all. Everybody that's watching for free, make sure you guys tappy tap that screen. Click follow, subscribe. We're here every day. Don't forget, big party coming up August 1st. That's not this Friday, next Friday, our 3-year anniversary. Make sure you show up. It's going to be massive. Oh, still got to pull back here, but I got to be patient.
New home sales month over month for June is up 0.6% versus minus 11.6% prior.
All right, thank you. Let's quick scalp that for 400 down to this gap fill. Qs are pulling back to the downside. I was going to say this is showing massive sellers here, but down there on the bottom, not smart. Not the smart coach. Wait. Be patient, buddy. Need to be a little more patient on that trade. Setting those stops. Just like I said, little chop chop. Let those stops protect you, right, gang? Let them do their job, right? Still waiting here. See if it's got more. just sitting here in this spot. Keeps trying to get momentum to the upside here. Constantly fighting for that spot, isn't it? You can see
It looks like
SPY is
LIDR, coach. It bounced off VWAP, but it's just holding its own right now.
SPY is, you can see it's stair stepping up, but it's so weak right here, right? SPY getting a little bit of a pop there. Yep, shut me out. All right. Starting to make a move. Yeah, big move here to the upside. Okay. Buyers come in. Let's see if we can trade with them. Up here looking for now this pop because it's got a gap to fill on SPY up to 635.50 basically here.
Apple is on the second green, EW.
Thank you. Come on, you gotta stay above this 9. Get up there. Above the 9. Come on. Damn it. Just not, man, it's just not making a move. It's not getting there and going, right? One way or the other. Chop, chop. Keeps trying and then it just fades away, don't it? Spy. Spy is like, it looks like it's literally stuck. Am I right?
Yeah,
Yeah, I've
Stuck
not
in the
Look
been
at it.
trading
doldrums,
SPY at all.
coach.
a lot of traders on vacation.
This thing is just, it looks like it's stuck in the mud.
I'm having more fun in Apple today.
Let's take
I'm
a look
not
at
looking at
Apple.
it, coach, but is the volume high or
No,
low?
there's no volume at all. There's no volume.
Yeah, all the traders are gone. They're gone for 2 weeks.
Yep, it's doing nothing here. Wow. And then it bled out. That's what I was looking for earlier. Unbelievable. Unfreaking believable. Gosh, it's just crazy. Just crazy. How much of a bleed out is this going to take?
It's a pullback in the market right now, coach, if you look at all of them.
I'm looking at it. I'm trading it actively
Yeah,
every
I
second.
know.
It's just insane. It's just making such weird moves.
Where's Palm for the analysis?
All right, still sitting here on VWAP. Watch for SPY right here to see if we're going to get a bounce on VWAP or not. Of course it will, because I'm shorting it to here, right? It is starting to get warm outside. Woo-wee. I'm like out in some major heat right now.
Looks like you're about 100 feet from a lake, so just go cool off.
Oh yeah, it's roasting here right now.
Lake cold?
I have no idea. All right, coming back to VWAP. Now remember, it's still got 60 cents to close a previous day, right? So it's going to fight this spot for a while. But it had a bleeder candle to get here. Apple to the upside again. Let me look at your 2-minute. Let's see.
I did call the 2 minute earlier.
Thank you. Yeah, Apple's in a 2-minute EWO to the upside. Nice. SPY still heavy here. Still fighting with VWAP and support.
Apple
Same
needs to, sorry,
area. Yeah, go ahead.
Apple needs to break 214.75.
Yep. I'm watching for SPY here to see if it can dump that VWAP area. You have a nice move to that 200, right? 634.50. There we go. That's a nice dump. That's better. That's better. See it filling that gap? That's a bleeder. All right, that's support.
NVDA new low day.
Thank you. That support, I'm going to hold this for a second. I know I'm up 4,000 right now, but
Heck yeah, nice pull, man.
yep, let's take half. Still in it for half. That support, but it just bled through the 200 on SPY.
Watch for 635.25
Oh,
for
there
the
goes
bottom.
SPY. Look at that. Yes. Yes. That's nice. That's nice. Am I right?
Yeah,
I'm going to take 3 more off.
it's on the bottom right now.
Still holding 2. That's a $7,000 trade so far.
Coach, that's a red to green to red zone right
Yep,
there.
I see it, partner. I've only got 2.
635.25.
I've only got
634.25, sorry.
Thank you. Yeah, I've only got 2 in it here, partner.
That's awesome, dude.
Yeah, I was down
What'd you call it,
11. By the way, I was down 11,000 right there and traded back to what? 6? Still holding these 2. Literally, I have 2. Yeah, look at it fighting right here. Ooh, it's fighting. If that breaks, I'll add. Otherwise, I'm just got just 2. Wasn't that a perfect example, though, of collecting as it goes? right? Because imagine if I was holding all of this right here, I would have gave back half, right?
Yeah, especially on that level.
Right, everybody in the room?
Yes, coach.
Yep.
It's a
Collect.
double bottom. It's a critical level green to red too. It's very
Yep.
important.
Yep.
Hey, coach, you have your NASDAQ on a 5-minute chart.
That is correct.
Okay,
Yep, I did that to calm my brain down.
gotcha.
All right,
Okay.
I'm taking these last two. Yeah, I was getting too chopped up with the 1 minute, so I wanted to go to a longer time frame so I could slow it down.
Got you. Okay.
Yeah, I think I was down like 11K. Now I'm down 6, I think. So I ended up taking 5 on that. I'll take that all day. 5K trade all day, baby.
Plus, many times when you have economic news, it's wise to go out a little bit bigger in time frame.
Yeah, I do it. Yeah, get around that volatility, right?
Correct.
Yeah, right here, I'm looking for a pull still, but we're on support. So I don't want to short it on support, but I am still looking for a downside move here.
Amazon has pulled back to VWAP as support.
Looks like it wants to flush now. I'm going to take a stab right here. Sitting right here.
Blue chart stock pick IXHL. Is that a double top high of day?
Thank you.
Just broke high of day.
I don't know if I made any on that. It was 1,000. I think I got 800 bucks on that one. She wants to bleed so bad right here, but you got to be careful, right? If you're trying to short this on support, which it is, because this is close the day yesterday, you got to watch your ass, right? You better be fast. So heavy on SPY. Holy crap. Look at, there goes SPY. What did I say? Huh? Did I or did I not say that?
Yes, you,
Yeah.
Look at SPY. Oh my gosh, there's a double bottom bounce on SPY at 634. I had that marked this morning. You guys remember me saying that at 634? It was 639.90. I said watch for 634, right? Good job, you guys are a bunch of geniuses. I can get this phone out of the sun. It is cooking. That over here. Get this out of the sun. There we go. Sorry, give me a sec, gang. I'm trying to move some stuff. All right, that's good. Wow, look at that bounce off of 634, huh? Wow.
That was huge.
Yeah, massive. Wow, now we got upside momentum. Nice. See if this can hold. I'm watching this here. I'm using SPY on the 200 to tell me what it wants to do. Nasdaq's got nice upside potential now. Trading itself its own candle for my stop. Putting in the mechanical stop now. Take it out of my hands. Notice I've used the previous candle's wick as my stop. Knife drop, save me. Did you guys see that?
Oh yeah.
So much volatility over there. I gotta have a massive, what is it? 16 on the average true range, 17, 16, 17 ticks. Big candles. Oh, look at that. SPY, if it can break and hold VWAP here, you're gonna have a nice upside. It found support, it bounced. But is it gonna run through it, or is it gonna get weak and fall off again to try to make new lows? We'll see here off of VWAP, right? Just remember, don't let the spot fool you. If you got it on the bounce on the bottom, good for you. But if you guys are looking to go long here, you need to be patient, right? Okay, good. Is my TikTok up?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nope, TikTok is not up. TikTok is down. I don't know how
It
long
just
that.
dropped a minute ago.
Okay. Turn the machine back on. I hate it when it does that. I lose all my viewers, everything we worked for all morning. It just disappears. Just bye. No warning. Love it. There it goes. I told you right there. This is why you had to be cautious on that VWAP. Yes. That is just, it's such an indecisive area. Below VWAP. See if this can hold down here. It does. Should get a nice bleeder again. Apple 2-minute EWO. Upside. Still fighting over there. SPY is riding this 9. This is a crazy spot. Needs to dump off this 9. Otherwise, we'll get strength above VWAP.
Amazon is doing the same thing.
Is it? Okay, thank you. There we go. Come on, flush. There we go. Come on. You keep playing with that 9 over there with SPY. How many times have I gone green on that trade and you're all like, Coach, take the money. I hear you. Am I right? No?
Yes, coach.
Oh, okay.
You're right.
I keep looking for this pull right here off the bottom. The way SPY is sitting so freaking heavy on this 9, man. It looks like it just wants to collapse back to the 200. If it does, it's going to be a beautiful pull. Yeah, look at that. Below the 9 now. There it goes. That's the move. Come on, look at that. Was I right? Look at SPY. Huh? Did I call it?
You
Yep,
called it?
yep, yep.
It hit the 200 and bounced. Damn it. NASDAQ did the same. I didn't take it. I was looking for more. I got greedy. It's ripping my face now. You son of a gun. I had it right there. Ugh. Yep, it ripped me.
Just breathe.
I got greedy. It did exactly what I wanted and I didn't take it. So I was looking for more. That's greed, right, gang?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Damn, it was perfect. All the way to the frickin' 200 and I didn't take it. I've even got it marked on my screen right here to take it. See it? Stupido.
Okay, coach. It happens.
Yeah, it does. It's got to be better than that. SPY still heavy. It ran up to VWAP, couldn't hold. That is a great sign for downside, by the way. The fact that the buyer shot it all the way back up and it still couldn't break. You see it?
Yeah, we see
It's like, Coach, I'm going to give you one more opportunity, and if you don't take it, you go jump in that lake.
it.
Ooh,
Right. There we go. Come on, pull. SPY back down to 200 again.
That's what seems to be similar, Coach.
SPY can't hold this 200. You're going to be looking for that 634 again. You guys see the gap?
Yeah.
Apple pulling back just slightly here. SPY
I
dancing on the
posted. Go ahead.
SPY dancing on the 200 again. 200 and VWAP is everything on SPY. See it? That's the channel right there.
I posted the news on LIDR in the Gold Lounge.
All right, thank you. What's LIDR doing now?
It's really holding its own, like it's strong, and the news is
Okay.
strong
All
for
right.
it.
Thank you.
I mean, it's bouncing up and down, but its earnings are on the 31st.
SPY showing strength to the upside here. As long as it stays above that 634.75. NASDAQ is not following. That's why I didn't pull the trigger. You SPY above that 634.75. See that strength?
Probably looks like wants to push up.
Yep, it does. That's a nice gap. NASDAQ is not falling though, which is what I'm trading. It's NASDAQ still acting heavy. Which tells me if I see SPY breathe back, NASDAQ should dump. Because if NASDAQ's not climbing, any boom pullbacks heavy. Still waiting here. Gosh, 10:30 already. You guys believe how fast time goes by when we're in this room? Huh?
Yeah, it freaking flies.
Crazy.
Lightning.
Still holding this area. 10:30. Don't forget, if you guys want to join us, AmericanDreamTrading.com. Get signed up for that free Discord next Friday. Not this Friday. Next Friday, we're having a huge party here. Make sure you guys tune in. I don't give a shit what you're doing. You better be here. August 1st. Don't miss it. You'll slap the shit out of yourself if you do. I'm telling you. This is the new level right there. Goes any higher than that, I gotta bail out. It gave me green a bunch of times. It's still, yeah, it's still just hovering though. Apple heavy on VWAP again. There goes SPY pulling back. On 31, it's getting warm, gang. I'm gonna have to shut the live down soon. It is, I am cooking out here, man. It's freaking roasting on the lake right now.
The market is struggling with any kind of commitment.
Yeah, it's just teetering. Nasdaq's continuing to climb though. I was still looking for this pullback. This did not happen. This is still just sitting here. I'm gonna set a mechanical and kill this thing. It hit me for a big L, but I don't care. Put it in. It's not enough room. It's not letting me do it. There goes the pullback. Come on. I'll set the big mechanical with room to breathe. That's the move I'm looking for. Still sitting here. Yeah, it's funny. SPY is only up 0.09%. 0.08%. Like there is nothing to it at all, right? Respecting that 21 over there, though. You guys are seeing that on SPY, right? See how it keeps respecting the 21 and the 9 right here? So trade it. I'm trading NASDAQ, so it's different than what you guys are seeing. But SPY is respecting the 21 to the upside. Everybody sees it, yes? All right, I am cooking, gang. I'm going to have to get out of here. I am so freaking hot.
Yeah, you are. No, I'm just kidding.
Love your face.
You too, bro.
Ooh, I am roasting. Hold on. Wow, one of our members is up 6 figures right now. That's nice. Real quick, as I have got to go. I'm gonna go get that air conditioning. Thank you to Ange, Bruno, Bucko, Chris, David, Doug, Eric's Moto, Jeffrey, Dom, Mark, Miranda, Eminem, Palm Coast, Ralph, Richard, Unhappily Housewife, Gilly, Diesel, Dan, and Mountain Man. Thank you to all of my military family, anybody that's serving or that has served. Thank you so much. We honor and respect you every day here. Thank you to all my first responders, firefighters, police officers, teachers, doctors, nurses, and everybody with me, all my truck drivers around the world. Thank you. All right, listen. Everybody have a blessed day. I'm going to get out of this heat, go into air conditioning. Love your faces. Moderators, you have control of the board. I'm out. See ya. I'm out. See ya.